Tashidaleg everyone. So today I'm going to visit Halong Bay. So this is my second time in Halong Bay. From Vietnam City, Hanoi to Halong Bay, it will take around 2.5 hours. And also this place Halong Bay is some call it Halong Bay, some call it Halong Bay. I don't know exact pronunciation. So here you can see many flags. This is a Vietnamese flag. And about Halong Bay is a kind of island, I would say island or ocean. And if you want to visit there, you must book ship or cruise so you can enjoy that place. So we are on the way right now. So basically Halong Bay is a ocean, and so that's why if you want to explore Halong Bay, you must have to book a ship, boat, or also cruise. So we booked cruise. So this is our office. So we are waiting for our group, and here you can see many people walking toward their cruise. So this is the most famous tourist place. So you can see so many people here around. So finally our group arrived. So we are now walking toward our cruise. Okay. So we are leaving toward our cruise. This is our group.
Before we move to the cruise, I need to check with all the customer first. So 2 minutes everyone.
So we ride on small ship. So this ship will take us toward our cruise.
Okay, so everyone, now everything has been ready. Can I ask you one thing, everyone?
Yes, please.
Are you hungry, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, me too. Now we come back to the cruise. It takes so long time. It takes us about 300 seconds, and then we'll move to the cruise. Okay?
No. So now we reached next to our cruise. So this is our cruise. Inside the cruise, and here we are going to upstairs. Actually this is the first floor. So inside the cruise, first they offer us welcome drink, and later they serve us lunch. So here you can see lunch is ready, and I am also in the queue. So lunch is serving on the third floor of the cruise. So this is third floor, and from outside that cruise it looks like this. So you can see this beautiful view, and I'm gonna climb fourth floor. So when I was on the roof, so I was like, wow, this is awesome. And you can see this beautiful island, and on the roof they also kept some chairs so you can take rest. So now we are leaving next destination. Till then we are leaving our cruise here. We are on a small boat, and this is how it looks like, our cruise from outside. So this is our second destination, and this place called Floating Fishing Village. So here we are. So here our guide is explaining about this village.
This community house, the fish farm, was owned by an owner from the land. The house you're seeing over there is belong to the fishermen. So that is one of their job when they're living here, everyone. And if you understand Vietnamese and you ask any single fisherman around,
So I'm roaming around the village. Actually, if we compare to any other village, this village is totally different, because this village is settled on the water. This is located on the water, so it's not really easy to survive on the water. So these are their farm, and yeah, this is the view. And here people are taking pictures, and I was asking, oh, I also want to take picture here.
okay, so everyone, we are standing right here, everyone. We call this place is the starting point. And from this area, we will go straight and then we will turn right. Okay, everyone? When we turn right, you will see the floating house. This is the floating house, everyone.
So here we are leaving toward our third destination, and we chose this small boat, and some people are riding on the bamboo boat. So third destination going to be amazing. I'm really excited about that, because that place is very, very special and unique.
Potem jak będziemy wyjeżdżać do plaży też. Hej. Kajakami walcz.
Do Pragi daleko.
So on the way we saw this beautiful rock, and on the rock you can see different shapes and different kind of holes. So we are going to cross that side, and our third destination is very near, but this video is very long, so now I'm going to end this video here and see you in next vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video.